Anulom Vilom Pranayama has many health benefits. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is also known as alternate nostril breathing technique. It has healing power for many serious health problems. So today in this video we'll be discussing about what is the right time to perform this Anulom Vilom Pranayama, how you have to perform this, and what are the benefits of this pranayama. Now, when should you do Anulom Vilom Pranayama? This pranayama should be done on an empty stomach. Morning is preferred to be the best time, but in case you have a busy schedule in the morning and if it is not possible to do in the morning, then you can do it in the evening with a gap of 4 hours after your last meal. Now let's see how to do this Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Now first thing is choose a calm place, spread yoga mat or a blanket on the floor and sit in Padmasana. People who cannot sit on the floor can sit on the chair and perform this Anulom Vilom Pranayama. First, close your right nostril with the right thumb and start inhaling slowly and take a breath as much as possible. This allows your lungs to fill with air. Now slowly remove your thumb from the right nostril and exhale. Then again inhale from the right nostril, wait for few seconds and remove your thumb from the left nostril and exhale. Repeat this process for at least 5 minutes every day and gradually increase the time. Now let's see what are the benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. First benefit, it relieves stress in the mind and body effectively. Second, it relieves anxiety. Third, it's excellent for healing. Fourth, it helps to get rid of respiratory problems. Fifth, it helps in balancing chakra. Sixth, it's very effective for body purification. Eighth, it helps in harmonizing the left and the right hemisphere of the brain. Eighth, it helps in curing asthma. Ninth, it cures arthritis and migraine problem. 10th, it reduces high blood pressure. 11th, it controls obesity. 12th, it improves muscular system. 13th, helps in proper functioning of digestive system. 14th, controls allergic problems. 15th, improves blood circulation and purifies blood. 16th, it reduces hypertension. 17th, it opens blockages with proper blood circulation throughout the body. 18th, reduces chronic sinus problems and soreness. The list goes on and on. There are a lot of benefits of this pranayama. Now, in case if you're having any serious health problems, please consult your doctors before you start this pranayama. Else, others can start doing this pranayama today.